Hey, this is Ben Style with Ben Style Construction. We're back on one of our projects at 828 Anarine, getting an update on it. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath condo here in the Terry Sanford School District. Single car garage. And if you remember, we bought this house, it was in really rough shape. Got our new flooring in, paint. Got this beautiful mantelpiece going in, kind of a custom mantelpiece above it. Got some really good looking lighting now. We're going in and replacing all the windows. We have granite on our countertops, subway tile backsplash. So we've really taken this project from what it was, and if you remember, we had some flooring issues, some really rough paint colors here. We took it down to the sheetrock and have now brought it all back. So we're really excited about this project, even more excited about getting it done. This project's going to be listed by Scott Harden for sale here, probably at the end of the month. So we look forward to showing you the final product. Super excited about the direction that it's heading in, and we certainly appreciate your time.